Have you ever pondered why nature is so astonishingly different and diverse? From the towering heights of the mighty redwoods to the intricate depths of a single droplet of dew, nature is an intricate symphony of wonders. It is a grand, ongoing spectacle of life, death, and rebirth, an ever-changing tapestry of colors, sounds, and scents that has been spinning its mesmerizing tale for billions of years. Our Earth is home to an estimated 8.7 million species, each one playing its own unique role in the great dance of life. From the microscopic bacteria that dwell in the Earth's crust to the majestic blue whales that roam the vast oceans, every creature, every organism has its own story, its own place in the grand scheme of things. But what about the natural phenomena that go beyond the ordinary, the ones that leave us awestruck and wonderstruck, the ones that challenge our understanding of the world and push the boundaries of our imagination? What about the plants that eat sheep, or the fungi that can control the minds of insects? What about the trees that seem to dance in the wind, or the flowers that bloom only once in a lifetime? The world of nature is filled with such extraordinary wonders, each one more fascinating than the last. They are the silent testimonies of evolution's grand experiment, the living proof that nature is not merely a passive backdrop to our lives, but an active, vibrant force that shapes and is shaped by everything that exists within it. So let's embark on a journey into the heart of nature's most remarkable mysteries. Let's explore the unexplored, uncover the hidden, and delve into the depths of the unknown. Let's pose the question, what are some of the most amazing facts about nature that you may not know? Prepare to have your mind blown by the wonders of the natural world. Ever heard of a sheep-eating plant? Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to the bizarre world of Puya chilensis, a plant native to the harsh hillsides of Chile. This plant doesn't just bask in the sun and photosynthesize like its green cousins. No, it has a more sinister, carnivorous side. Puya chilensis is an enormous bromeliad, a family of plants that also includes pineapples. It grows to a towering height of up to 3 meters, with spiky, barbed leaves that fan out in all directions. But it's not just the plant's size that's impressive, it's the way it gets its nutrients that really steals the show. Unlike most plants, Puya chilensis doesn't rely solely on the soil for its nutrients. Instead, it has developed a rather gruesome way of supplementing its diet. The plant's long, spiky leaves are covered in tiny hooks, perfect for trapping an unsuspecting sheep that wanders too close. Once a sheep is caught in the plant's clutches, it struggles, it bleats, but escape is nearly impossible. The more the sheep struggles, the more entangled it becomes. Eventually, the sheep succumbs to exhaustion and dies. As it decomposes, the plant absorbs the nutrients from the decaying body, using them to fuel its own growth. It's a macabre process, but an effective one. The Puya chilensis gets the nutrients it needs to survive in its arid, nutrient-poor environment. It's a prime example of the extreme lengths life will go to in order to survive. But don't fret, the Puya chilensis doesn't only rely on sheep for sustenance. It's not picky. Any small animal unfortunate enough to get caught in its spiky trap will do. This plant is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises and that even plants, often seen as the most passive of life forms, can turn out to be cunning predators. So the next time you think of plants as passive life forms, remember the Puya chilensis. Fungi may seem insignificant, but did you know they literally hold our world together? Let's embark on a journey to understand the immense power these humble organisms wield. Often overlooked, fungi are the unsung heroes of our ecosystems. They play a crucial role as decomposers, breaking down dead organic material and recycling it back into the ecosystem. This process is vital for the survival of many other organisms. Without fungi, our forests would be cluttered with dead trees, leaves, and other organic matter, making it a struggle for new life to sprout. But their role doesn't stop at decomposition. Fungi also play a part in nutrient cycling. They break down complex organic compounds into simpler forms that plants can absorb and use for growth. Imagine a world without fungi. Our soil would be barren and unproductive, unfit for plant life, and consequently for us. Now, let's talk about size. When we think of large organisms, blue whales or sequoias might spring to mind, but the title of the largest organism on Earth goes to a fungus. Nestled in the Blue Mountains of Oregon, there lives a single fungus that covers a staggering 3.7 square miles. Known as the humongous fungus, this Armillaria ostoyi has been growing for thousands of years, silently spreading its mycelium beneath the forest floor. This enormous organism is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of fungi. They've been around for over 1 billion years, predating many of the life forms we're familiar with today. They've survived mass extinctions and drastic climate changes, all while maintaining their crucial role in the ecosystem. Fungi are more than just mushrooms sprouting in your backyard or the mold on your forgotten piece of bread. They are the silent workers, the recyclers, the nutrient providers. They're an integral part of our world, operating behind the scenes to maintain the balance of life. Without fungi, our world would be a much different and possibly uninhabitable place. So next time you spot a mushroom on your walk or see mold on your food, remember, these are the silent heroes that keep our world turning. Trees are usually considered stationary, but have you heard of the dancing trees of Pakistan? Let's take a journey to the Balochistan region of this South Asian country, where a captivating spectacle awaits us. Here, in the arid landscape, you'll find trees that appear to perform a graceful dance. Yes, you heard it right. The trees in this part of the world seem to move, to sway, to dance. But what's the story behind this mesmerizing movement? Is it a mysterious natural phenomenon, a local legend, or perhaps a trick of the eye? The answer, as it often does, lies in the fascinating world of science. First, let's understand the setting. Balochistan is characterized by its arid climate and sandy soil. This environment forces the trees to adapt in unique ways to survive. One of these adaptations is the development of a deep and extensive root system that helps the trees search for water underground. This is where the dancing comes into play. The trees are not actually moving on their own. Instead, the shifting sands beneath them, driven by the wind, create an illusion of movement. As the wind blows, it moves the loose sandy soil around the roots, making it seem as if the trees are swaying or dancing. But there's more to this dance than meets the eye. This movement, though it may seem whimsical, is a testament to the trees' resilience. It's their way of surviving in an environment that is constantly changing, constantly moving. The dance of these trees is a story of adaptation, a story of survival, a story of life. It's moments like these that remind us of the infinite wonders of nature. The world around us is filled with incredible phenomena, waiting to be discovered, waiting to be appreciated. So next time you see a tree swaying in the wind, remember, somewhere trees are dancing. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its myriad of wonders. This journey has taken us through the remarkable world of the unexpected and extraordinary. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned, the awe-inspiring facts that have left us with a renewed sense of wonder for the natural world around us. We started with the sheep-eating plant, Puya chilensis, a prime example of nature's ingenuity. This plant from the hills of Chile has adapted to its nutrient-poor soil by developing a knack for trapping and absorbing nutrients from unsuspecting sheep who get entangled in its spiny leaves. It's a testament to nature's resourcefulness and a reminder that survival often requires a bit of creativity. Then we delved into the power of fungi, the unseen heroes of the ecosystem. These organisms, neither plant nor animal, play a crucial role in breaking down organic material and recycling nutrients back into the soil. They are the Earth's recyclers, turning death into life in a never-ending cycle. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus, the Armillaria ostoyi, spanning an area of nearly 4 square miles in Oregon's Blue Mountains. It's a living testament to the power and potential of these humble decomposers. Next, we ventured to the dancing trees of Pakistan, the Juniperus macropoda. These trees have developed an incredible adaptation to their arid environment, growing in twisted, contorted shapes to maximize water absorption. Their dancing forms are a beautiful sight to behold, a ballet of survival in the harsh landscape. These stories, these facts, they highlight the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. From the sheep-eating plant to the power of fungi to the dancing trees of Pakistan, each tells a tale of survival, of adaptation, and of the sheer marvel of nature. These fascinating facts are just the tip of the iceberg. Nature is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. The world is brimming with hidden wonders, and it's up to us to uncover them. So let's continue exploring, discovering, and marveling at the infinite wonders of nature.